Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to get funny and squeaky voice on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up TikTok app and then hit right here at that plus sign to start recording a video. Once you did that, you can record short video or you can upload some from your photo gallery. I can hit right there where it says upload, then I can select any video, let it be that one. Now I can hit on next, and all I have to do now is right there hit where it says audio editing. I can tap on that, and now I can add any effect to that voice in that video. If that video doesn't contain any voice, you can make voiceover and then apply voice effect to the voiceover. See how it looks like. All I have to do is just tap and hold at that record button, and after that I can make voiceover. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Once I finished recording, I can just release my finger, and now I can drag these voice effects to the left until I find that elf effect. That's very funny and squeaky voice. I can hit at that effect once to apply it to audio raw, and now I can listen how it sounds. So first I have to place that playback marker at the start of audio raw and then hit add play button.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.
That's how it sounds. If you like that effect, you can hit on save and then continue editing the video. And also you can in any time change the voice effect. So if you want, you can apply their giant effect, and then you can listen how it sounds. And after that you can hit a save button and then share that video to TikTok. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also you can check out my TikTok tutorials playlist where you will find another useful videos. You can easily find that playlist in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.